Jonathan with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to discuss some of the exciting 2024 models that we have upcoming, including this, the 24 Seltos, which we've had hitting the ground for a couple months now, but it's still no less exciting, refreshed for the current model year with really some nice updates to an already great design. You have the full color digital instrument cluster and center touchscreen, looks fantastic, as well as the revised LED light signature, which looks great. And then beyond that, we've also got, very exciting, the EV9 will actually start hitting the ground in the next several months. So you can place your order today, and there's a strong chance that you actually would have your car before the end of January for Kia's exciting 3-row fully electric SUV, which just looks fantastic. I cannot express how excited we are to start getting these in. Beyond that, look out for some exciting things for the Sorento. Those will probably be more mid next year. And with that imminently coming, we have some fantastic incentives for the 23 Sorentos. So right now we have both trade assistance and another rebate to finance with Kia, so you can actually stack those and really get an amazing deal on an amazing car with the Sorento. So really exciting things to come, and they're actually already on their way. So whatever we can do, whatever you're looking for, shoot us a call or stop by today.